All right. I got a little bling on. Feeling really good right now. So with that, let's kick it off. Introduce our Red Alliance. So with that, let's kick it off. Introduce our Red Alliance. Starting with Team 4918.
They're from Port Townsend, Washington, the Roboctopi.
Got it. And with that, their alliance partner, let's welcome the field, Team 343.
They're from Seneca, South Carolina, Metal in Motion.
And their alliance partner, let's welcome the field, Team 11.
They're out of Flanders, New Jersey. Give it up for Mort.
All right. Over here in the Blue Alliance, let's welcome to the field, Team 54.
All the way from Rogers, Arkansas, it's Wildfire.
And their alliance partner, let's welcome to the field, Team 5024.
To us out of Ontario, Canada, Raider Robotics.
All right. And to round out the Blue Alliance, let's welcome to the field, Team 811.
From Nashua, New Hampshire, it's Cardinals.
Should be ready to go. Yeah. Yep. All right. Let's give him a little chance here. So, anybody for the Blue Alliance? Okay, let me try this again. Anybody for the Red Alliance? Oh, Blue. One more chance. Blue Alliance? There we go. How about the Red Alliance? One more chance? All right. Looks like we're green then. Thank you for bringing that in. So with that, team, check your toes behind the white line, because in 3, 2, 1, rush.
All right, folks, heading into Autonomous for qualification match number 93. It looks like over on the blue side of the field, we've got Cardinals working on those totes for Autonomous. They bring 2 into the auto zone, but that might not quite make it for any points for either of our teams as we head down from Autonomous and transition into Teleop. Thanks to the work of 811 on the Blue Alliance, those 2 yellow totes are already stacked and ready for the step in the center of the field, and it looks like 343 for the Red Alliance. That's going to be Metal in Motion working on it for them. Meanwhile, it looks like Mort for Red has been working on getting some recycling containers off the step, having a bit of trouble with one of their arms, it looks like, though. They run into Roboctopi. 343, though, for Red. They are making their way toward the step there, and it looks like Wildfire for Blue doing the same. It looks like we've had more on the Red Alliance stop moving during this match. They are in possession of 1 container. Let's see how our Red Alliance can recover with 1 robot down. They've got plenty of match remaining. And to start it off, it looks like we are going to have Wildfire give 50 points to both of our alliances, 40 points to both of our alliances. We've got those cooperation points on the board. No points for either team just quite yet, though. Over on Red, we do have 6 for our Red Alliance. Robotics on the Red Alliance. They're one of our teams out of Washington here on Hopper today. They're working on some totes from the landfill zone. Over on the blue side of the field, Raider, they're working on a pretty big stack. Raider's going to drop off 30 points for the Blue Alliance with that container on top. Their alliance partner, Cardinals, working on a stack as well. It looks like it's a little bit crooked, though. We'll see if they'll be able to recover that. They're going now for 4 totes with container and litter. Back over on the red side of the field, Metal in Motion tops off that stack, now worth 42 points for our Red Alliance. Taking a look over on Blue, Cardinals about to drop off some big points for themselves. That's going to be 36 for our Blue Alliance. We now come down to our final 20 seconds of our match. Lots of points on the board, but not much time remaining. We have some containers in motion on both sides of the field. It looks like we're going to have Robotics drop off theirs first. Over on Blue, Wildfire tries, but falls apart. Their container falls off, and one of their stacks falls apart as well. And that brings us down to our final seconds and end of time here in qualification match number 93. We'll have those official scores right up. All right, friends, those scores are in. Let's check them out. And it looks like we are going to have the Red Alliance pick up 123 points. All 3 of those robots winning here and moving up in our ranking. Over on the blue end of the field, they scored 118 points. That's going to keep Wildfire in our 38th position, but their 2 alliance partners do move on up. Thanks to some of those cooperation points we earned, lots of advances for our teams in qualification match number 93.